There are some basic guidelines to be aware of before we start taping. The first is preparation. It's really important that the skin is dry and clean. It is also important that the skin is hair-free. As I mentioned earlier, have a shaver or razor nearby. The last point is to apply tape approximately 10 minutes before activity. This will give it enough time for the tape to set, however, not enough time for the tape to loosen and therefore become less effective. The next part is the application of the tape. When applying the tape, try and make sure there are not too many creases through the tape, although some might be inevitable. Also, ask the patient, is it feeling too tight? At the end, make sure there is enough circulation through that area of the body. And right before anchoring off, or after an anchor, get the person up to move that body part or go for a walk or run, and make sure that they can do the activity needed on the sporting field or through their daily activities. And the last part is when removing the tape. It's really important to tear the tape in the direction that it has come from. This means there's less irritation to the skin. Also, you can use tape scissors, as I mentioned earlier, to allow that process to be a little easier. You can cut a little bit of an area and then rip it off from there. Use a quick motion, like you're ripping off a band-aid, as this is less painful for your patient or player.